Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix card declined on PayPal. When your card is declined, it can be frustrating, but often the solution is straightforward. First, immediately recheck the card details you entered, ensuring every digit and the expiration date are correct. Sometimes, a simple typo is the culprit. Also, confirm your billing address matches what your bank has on file. These initial checks can often resolve the issue quickly, saving you time and hassle. Several common reasons lead to card declines. The most frequent is insufficient funds. Always ensure you have enough money in your account for the transaction. Another common issue is incorrect card details, such as a wrong card number, expiration date, or security code. An expired card will also be declined, so check its validity. Finally, your bank might decline a transaction due to fraud prevention, especially for unusual or large purchases, or if your card is new. To resolve a declined card, start by updating your card information on PayPal, double-checking all fields. If details are correct, contact your bank directly. They can provide specific reasons for the decline and often resolve holds. Also, review your PayPal account for any limitations or unverified information that might be causing issues. As a temporary solution, consider trying a different payment method or linking another card to your PayPal account if available. Preventing future declines involves a few key practices. Always keep your payment methods updated on PayPal, especially after receiving a new card. Regularly monitor your bank account balance to avoid insufficient funds. Linking multiple cards to your PayPal account provides a backup option if one card is declined. If issues persist, don't hesitate to contact PayPal's customer support. They can offer personalized assistance and help troubleshoot specific account problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.